Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these really easy fabric flowers from just some old clothing or scraps of fabric. So let's get started. To make these easy flowers, you're going to use any kind of fabric. You could use an old t-shirt or an old blouse, an old scarf, any kind of fabric that you have around. And the size of the round circle that you will use is going to be the size of your flower when it's finished. So for example, for this small flower, I used this small circle. As you can see, the finished flower is the same size as the circle. For this one, I used this size. And for this one, I used a smaller container, and that's the size this flower turned out. Okay, so I just have a piece of broadcloth, cotton. You can use anything, any kind of fabric you have. I'm just going to fold it, and then I'm going to fold it in thirds. Like that. And then I will place my round circle on there, and I'm just going to trace around with a pencil. Like that. And then I'm going to cut them out. So now I have 6 circles. And on this one, I only made 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On this one, I made 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's up to you, whichever you'd like. So I have my 6 circles. So now I'm going to take a circle and fold it in half. And with a needle and thread, I'm going to run a gathering stitch all along the outside edge. Like that. And then just pull that to gather it up. And that's the first petal. Leave it attached. And place that down and go on to the next one. Like that. And pull that one down and bring it next to that one. You're just going to continue to do that with the remainder of these 4 circles. Okay, I have all 6 of my petals done. So now I'm just going to pull this tight. Okay, I'm going to fold these over like that and pull that tight. And I'm going to sew these 2 petals together. And then I can just open up the ends of these petals like that. So now I will choose a button, see what kind of button looks best. That's not bad. I think that one's nice. I'm going to go with that. So I'm going to put some hot glue around the bottom. And place that on there. Like that. And now we're going to fix up the back. So I've got a scrap of fabric here. And I'm just going to cut a circle. Like that. I'm going to place that on the back like this. And I'm going to glue it down. Like that. Now this flower, I made this with some denim. Just a piece of denim like this. I cut my circles. And I wanted to have polka dots on my denim. So I just took some blue acrylic paint and a pencil. And I added dots. And then I staggered them. Like that. And I had blue polka dot. And this fabric was just broadcloth, the same as this. And I did the same thing. I added some polka dots. This little one was just an old curtain that I had, so that's just curtain fabric. So you could use these flowers as a brooch, or glue them to the top of a jar, or glue them onto barrettes. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make these fabric flowers out of old scraps.